Hello all, this is Sajid from Cinema Glitz. Today we'll be reviewing Singham 3 directed by Hari. Singham 3 serves as the third installment in the Singham series. In this film, Mr. Durai Singham is once again recalled by police from different state in order to investigate the death of a police commissioner from their state. What happens during the process of investigation forms the crux of the story, directed by Hari. 10. Singham 3 finally saw the face of theatres after multiple postponement of dates. Finally, the fans got to see their favorite actor Surya once again in action in the role of Durai Singham. Unfortunately, that's all the excitement, and the excitement dies the very moment the movie starts. Singham 1 and 2 were very good movies as entertainers and masala flicks, but this film really finds it hard to even carry that notion. When you go for a masala or commercial entertainer, you don't actually look for logic, but ultimately, if you totally ignore logic, it becomes a big issue, and that's what had happened with Singham 3. There are one too many flaws in the film. If you start pinpointing each and every one, 2 or 35 minutes is a very short period for you, because a movie is full of it. For starters, the characterization. All the characters don't fall in place, and they have been just cast for the sake of face value. Start with Shruti Haasan. She was the most annoying character in the film. She didn't have either a character mileage or a characterization, and it turned out to be a foolish one. Anushka Shetty seemed lost. She was just cast for the sake of the sequel. And then there were other supporting characters which just traveled into the movie from nowhere just to keep the timeline from Singham 1 and 2. Then finally, let's get to Mr. Surya. He did his part well, but everything falls in place when the director defines a character. In Singham 3 was not as powerful and impactful as it was in the previous sequels. Still, Surya tried his best to carry the film on his shoulders in order to keep his fans happy. Let's get to the villains of the film, played by two Bollywood actors, Thakur Anup Singh and Sharat Saxena. Sharat Saxena is one of the most defined and well-established character artists from Bollywood, but his character was not played well in Singham 3. And then Thakur Anup Singh, who is debuting in Tamil, was more concentrated on establishing his muscular body than acting in the film. His lingo and body language didn't match what the director had intended to show on screen. Singham 1 had Vivek, Singham 2 had Santanam and Vivek. Singham 3 had gone to Suri and Robo Shankar, but unfortunately these two characters hardly kick in some laughs in this film. Cinematography by Priyan in fact gives you a mild headache, because the entire movie charges through aerial shots and fisheye view, which actually becomes annoying, and as a viewing experience you don't feel very good watching the movie for 2 or 35 minutes. Editing by V.T. Vijayan was sharp. He in fact managed to put together all the chaos in a proper timeline, building up to a fast moving film. And then the music by Haris Jayaraj did not create any impact, neither the background score. A verdict for this film would be, director Hari couldn't do justice to the series. Maybe he was under too much pressure to bring in the previous impression of Durai Singham. Unfortunately, in spite of Surya carrying on the movie on his shoulders, it falls flat with a weak screenplay and chaotic events. Our rating for this film would be 2 out of 5 stars. Singham 3 manages to roar at the highest decibel level. Unfortunately, it turns out to be hazardous to your eardrums.
There's a big brain behind this one! Indian police. Encounter. Over Sorry. Do it again.
I like lions, sir.
If you have watched Singham 3, please post your valuable comments, reviews and opinions under a comment section. Do like us, share this video, and most definitely subscribe to our channel. In order to read a detailed review, log on to our website www.cinemaglitz.com. Until the next video review, this is Sajid signing off.